Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. This is taxonomy. Carl Linnaeus or Carl von Linné. Well, either of these names, I'm still Linnaeus. When I was born, I was never meant for this field. I was expected to be a churchman like my father and my grandfather, but my interest will always be in the field of science. I entered the University of London and pursued the field of medicine, but somehow, fate has a different path for me. It led me to botany. After a year, I transferred to the University of Uppsala. This time, I finally focused on studying and collecting plants. I also made an expedition. I was so dedicated to plants, I traveled to study about plant life and investigate about the indigenes, which is called laps. But that was not the end of my expedition. I also traveled to the land of Sweden, to Holland, and that, I must admit, was one of the biggest breaks of my entire career. Because after the expedition, I produced 3 books. The first edition of System Naturae, Genera Plantarum, and Flora Laponica, which is the product of my first expedition. After my return to Sweden, I expanded the number of plants and animals recognized by science, and Linnaean taxonomy was born. My work may not be completely accurate, but after many years, this was the standard of biologists. Carl Linnaeus, or Carl von Linné.